Cookmii stand mixer, 660W dough mixer with 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl, kitchen food mixer with dough hook whisk, flat beater, pouring shield black dot, powerful motor food mixer. High performance 600W stand mixer offers you perfect mixing results which makes the mixing fast and thoroughly. 600W high performance motor enjoys superb heat dissipation. Tilt head design allows clear access to the bowl and attached beater or accessory, so you can easily add ingredients and change attachments. 3 different attachments for versatile usage, featured with 3 different A, T, A, C, H, M, E, and T, S dough hook, beater, whisk. It is perfectly designed for you to do all types of food mixing, including creaming, mixing, beating, whipping, kneading. You can now make a wealth of new recipes, from cakes, cookies, to bread. 6 speeds control in large capacity. Stand mixer with 6 speeds and a pulse function ensures the food is evenly and completely mixed. The mixer stand comes with a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl, enough capacity to knead dough or mix other food for a big family. 2 years guarantee. Cookmii is a professional manufacturer for stand mixer. We provide 2 years warranty for mixer and lifetime customer service for you. If there are any problems, we are happy to help.